Welcome to the assembly video to your new T101. Place the product as close as possible to the design location, allowing 1 meter space to each side of the treadmill to be able to perform the assembly. Unboxing. Cut the exterior straps and remove the box cover. Cut the yellow straps inside the box and remove the content of the box. Remove all the interior packaging. Remove the console from underneath the treadmill deck. Cut and remove the red banding strap. After the product has been unboxed and placed as close as possible to the design location, before the assembly begins, we recommend lowering the leveling feet to establish a strong base and to avoid any movement of the product during the assembly. Do not tighten the bolts after each step. All the connections will be tightened after all the steps have been performed. During step 1, the left console mast will be attached to the treadmill base. Prepare the hardware and left console mast. Attach the left console mast to the base using 3 bolts provided in the hardware pack for step 1. Do not fully tighten the bolts. During step 2, the right console mast will be attached to the treadmill base. Prepare the hardware and right console mast. Carefully cut the cable tie, securing the console cable to the frame. Attach the lead wire to the console cable and pull the cable through the top of the console mast. Take care not to pinch the console cable. Attach the right console mast to the base using 3 bolts provided in the hardware pack for step 2. Do not fully tighten the bolts. During step 3, the console will be attached to the console mast. Prepare the hardware and the console for step 3. Carefully place the console on the console mast and secure the console with 2 bolts, 2 spring washers and 2 flat washers on each side from the hardware pack for step 3. Do not fully tighten the bolts. Connect the console cable carefully and remove the lead wire. Tuck in the console cable back into the console mast to avoid any damages to the cable. All the bolts can be tightened now from steps 1, 2 and 3. During step 4, the power cord holder will be attached to the treadmill base. Carefully insert the power cord into the product and push the power cord holder over the power cord. During step 5, the protection caps will be inserted into the USB and jack ports. After the assembly process has been completed, place the product in the designed location and adjust the leveling feet if needed. Now you can enjoy your fitness journey.